In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix invalid token error on Discord. If you're seeing the invalid token error while trying to use Discord, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue that can usually be resolved with a few straightforward troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through several methods that can help restore access to your account. We'll start with the simplest solution and then move on to a few additional fixes if the problem continues. The first thing you should try is signing out of your Discord account and then signing back in. Open Discord and click the gear icon near your profile to access user settings. Scroll down until you find the logout option and sign out of your account. Once you've been logged out, return to the Discord sign-in screen and carefully enter your account credentials before selecting Login. Double-check that everything is entered correctly, then see if the invalid token error has disappeared. If you're still experiencing the issue, the next step is to clear your browser or application cache. If you're using Discord in a web browser, open your browser menu, go to the option for deleting browsing data, and make sure cached images and files are selected before clearing the cache. Once that's finished, restart your browser and open Discord again. If you're using the desktop application, clear the application's cache through your operating system if that option is available. If the problem continues after clearing the cache, refreshing the application by replacing it with the latest version may also help. Corrupted cache files can interfere with authentication, making this an important troubleshooting step. Another thing to check is Discord's service status. Sometimes the problem isn't related to your device or account at all. Open the official Discord status page in your browser and review the current service reports. If there are ongoing issues affecting login or authentication services, you'll simply need to wait until Discord resolves them. Once all services are operating normally again, try signing in once more. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of Discord. Running an outdated version can sometimes lead to authentication or token-related errors. Update Discord using the latest version available from the official Discord website. Complete the update process, and then launch the application again. After updating, try logging into your account one more time. After working through these steps, check whether the invalid token error has been resolved. In most cases, one of these methods is enough to restore normal access to Discord and get everything working properly again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,